Hello and good morning students, I am Shudipta, your English teacher. Today I will give you the answer from your book Tune into Grammar, and the answer will be the first chapter from your book. Okay. So the first chapter is the sentence. I have already discussed about sentence. The chapter is already completed. So today I will tell you the answer from the exercise portion, which start from it is the page number 2. Okay, please wait. Okay, it is not page number 2, it is page number 1 also. There are some questions just the beginning within a yellow box. Okay, it is just before the starting of this chapter. The first question is, mark these sentences as true or false. First, a sentence being with a capital letter, though not always. Okay, that is false. The words in a sentence are arranged in alphabetical order. It is also false. The sentence always ends with a full stop. A sentence, yes. A question is also a sentence. Yes, true. A sentence may or may not contain a verb. False. So now you have to go to second page. Second page, the segment is learn. Identify the complete sentences, then identify the subject order, subject word, okay, on your screen. It is the first answer. The question is, Meena is a brilliant artist. So here the subject is Meena, okay, and brilliant artist is subject word. After that, question number 2 is, it is not a complete sentence. In this instruction, it is clearly said, identify the complete sentence. Okay, so that there is no chance to tell the second question, a cup of tea for me. It is not a complete sentence. Question number 3, it is also not a complete sentence. So I have to switch to question number 4. The subject is I. Question number 5, Rekha is the subject. Question number 6, you is the subject and your phone with you is the subject word. Question number 8, us is the subject, and on this beach is the attribute. You no need to write this. Question number 9, that is book. It is also the subject, and dawn on the table is subject word. Now segment is practice. Okay, in this practice segment, identify the subject and the predicate in each of these sentences. What is the questions? What is the question? The question is, the train arrived at the station at 6 p.m. So what is the subject? Definitely train is the subject. Something is being spoken about the train, so that subject is train, and arrived at the station at 6 p.m. is predicate. Now next, second question, what a naughty boy you are. So it is the second question. You is the subject and what a naughty boy is a predicate. Now question number 3, you must attend the meeting today. So you here is the subject, attend the meeting today is predicate. Question number 4, the students worked around lazily in the school corridor. So here the students is the subject and walked around lazily in the school corridor is the predicate. Now question number 5. You may come in. So it is you may come in. You is the subject, come in, may come in is the predicate. Now question number 6. Socrates was a great philosopher. Socrates is the subject, was a great philosopher is predicate. The tourist, angry and tired, insisted on a refund from the travel agent. So here the tourist is the subject, insisted on a refund from the travel agent is the predicate. Question number 8. Could you bring the bucket of flowers, please? So here you is the subject, bring the bucket of flowers is the predicate. Question number 9. You will watch a film on Friday. So we is the subject, will watch a film on Friday is the predicate. Question number 10. The animals at the zoo looked shaken by the loud noise. So here the animals, the subject, looked shaken by the loud noise, the predicate. Now go to the next segment, that is B. Identify the subject word and the attribute in each of the sentences. Identify the subject word in each of these sentences. So here unfortunately I have written identify the subject word and the attribute in each of these sentences. So actually the question is, an instruction is, identify the subject word in each of these sentences, where attribute it will be removed. Okay. Now question number 1. The manager of the farm slipped and fell down the stairs. So the manager of the farm is subject word. The warm and bright spring is the best time for picnics. The warm and bright is the subject word. My uncle is a music composer. So a music composer is the subject word. The cunning minister tricked the king and the queen. The cunning minister is the subject word. After that, drinking water is the subject word. A boy carrying a pile of books is the subject word. A honest man, subject word. The expensive jewelry is the subject word. My young sister is the subject word. Sleeping too much is a subject word. To help the poor is a subject word. Now go to the next page, and there is question number 12. The nurses rushed to help the injured man. There is a subject, that is the nurses, but there is no subject word. Now learn question number 4. The bottom of the page, question number 4. Write the negative statement for each of these sentences. Okay, so we have to write negative sentence or negative statement for each of these sentences. One has been done for you. So the first question, the answer of the first question was already written there, so I have not added it. I will continue from question number 2. I like to read. So the answer will be I do not like to read. Question number 3. They left the room in a hurry. They did not leave the room in a hurry. Question number 4. Sharmila takes tea every morning. So, here will be Sharmila does not take tea every morning. Question number 5. Father will go to the market to buy vegetables. Here the answer will be father will not go to the market to buy vegetables. Question number 6. The students did well in the examination. And the answer will be the student did not do well in the examination. Question number 7. The office was decorated with streamers and lights. Here the answer will be the office was not decorated with streamers and lights. Question number 8. John and Pakhi performed a song in front of the audience. So, the answer will be John and Pakhi did not perform a song in front of the audience. Question number 9. We have been called for the training on Monday. The answer will be we have not been called for the training on Monday. Question number 10. She has many friends in Mumbai. And the answer will be she doesn't have many friends in Mumbai. Now, question number 11. I put sugar in my tea. I didn't put sugar in my tea. Arun likes to watch cartoons. So, Arun doesn't like to watch cartoons. Now, the practice segment, question number A. Rearrange the words and phrases to make sentences. First question, my sister, in spite of prepared well having for the exam, did not score good marks. So, you have to write in a proper direction, the proper way. Okay. So, here is the answer. In spite of having prepared well for the examination, my sister did not score good marks. Okay. The second question is, our school band, which had the band competed against on many competitions. So, here is the answer. The band which had competed against our school band on many competitions. Question number 3. The passengers asked in the last minute to leave the bus. Here, the answer is they asked the passengers to leave the bus in the last minute. Question number 4. The cricket match watched afternoon yesterday. Here is the answer. Question number 4. We watched the cricket match after school yesterday. Okay. Okay. Now, we watched the cricket match after the school yesterday. Okay. Now, next, question number 5. My sister, a pink shirt, blue jeans, is wearing and a pair of. So, the answer will be my sister is wearing a pink shirt and a pair of blue jeans. Okay. Now, next, question number 6. I dined my present Saturday last at a Chinese restaurant with. So, the answer will be I dined with my present at a Chinese restaurant last Saturday. Question number 7th, from Madhu and Trisha every day walk home school. So here is the answer. Madhu and Trisha walk home from school every day. Question number 8, in the box told me the man to drop the check at the counter. Here's the answer. Question number 8. The man told me to drop the check in the box at the counter. Now question number 9. Here, question number 9. Under the my favorite pastime of a tree is to read a book, sit, shed and. So the answer will be my favorite pastime. My favorite pastime is to sit under the shade of a tree and read a book. Okay. Question number 10. Met had at a restaurant we last Thursday. So here is the answer. That is, we had met at a restaurant last Thursday. Now go to the next page. That is question number B. Okay. Question number B, separate the subject from the predicate. Here, the lion in the jungle caught its prey in a flash. The lion is the subject, caught its prey in a flash is predicate. Hari, the local shopkeeper, has a new car. Hari is the subject, has a new car is the predicate. The monsoon is the best time of the year. Monsoon is the subject, is the best time of the year is the predicate. The tree is decorated with lights during Christmas. The tree is subject, is decorated with lights during Christmas is predicate. It is not attribute. Okay. Now, question number 4. Sorry, question number 5. Here, it is question number 5. Yamuna, a perennial river, flows through Delhi. So it would be Yamuna is the subject, a perennial river flows through Delhi is predicate. Next, familiarity breeds contempt. So familiarity is subject, breeds contempt is predicate. Question number 7. People who are kind-hearted are loved by all. So people, the subject, who are kind-hearted are loved by all is predicate. It is not attribute. Now question number 8. A shining star I see now. So I am very sorry, here I will be the subject. Here I will be the subject. Okay. I will be the subject and predicate will be what? Predicate will be see now a shining star. Okay. See now a shining star. It would be the predicate. Now question number 9. I have a chain of gold. So I, the subject, chain of gold is predicate. Now question number 10. Rustam, the youngest son of the mighty emperor, is a good man. So Rustam is the subject. The youngest son of the mighty emperor is a good man is the predicate, not attribute. Now next, I like good music. So I is the subject, like good music is the predicate. Okay? Yes. So go to next page. Next segment, that is C. So open at your book, insert phrases from the box in these sentences. You may add them to the subject or the predicate. A phrase can be used only once. So open at your book, page number 6. There you will able to see at page number 6 there is a yellow box, and within the box there are some phrases, okay, such as near the church, by the river, at the local market, since March, of many colors, with many holes on the fence, of great beauty, that is grain color, of strong flavor. So after that there are 10 questions, 10 sentences. So you have to complete these sentences by picking one phrase, such as the question is, the useless carpet is lying in the cupboard. Okay, you have to pick a phrase from the yellow box and you have to use this. So here, a useless carpet with many holes. So here, with many holes is a phrase which I have picked to complete the sentence. Okay. So here the answer is, a useless carpet with many holes is lying in the cupboard. Question number 2. A woman is sitting by the fireplace. A woman of great beauty is sitting by the fireplace. Question number 3. A coat would be best for the role. The coat that is grey in color would be best for the role. Question number 4. A house is what I want. So you have to complete this sentence by picking a phrase from the yellow box. So here is the answer. A house near the church is what I want. Question number 5. Coffee drives out sleep. So here the answer will be, coffee of strong flavor drives out sleep. Question number 6. He has been away. He has been away since March. Then the answer of question number 7. A boat by the river makes a pretty picture. Then answer number 8. Dresses of many colors were displayed in the showcase. Question number 9. The bird of the fence is my pet. Question number 10. I met him at the local market nearby. So here it is completed. Now question number D. Okay, question number D. What is the instruction of these questions? The instruction is, use the correct punctuation marks to form imperative. You have to write I am, exclamatory E, assertive A, or interrogative IN sentences. Identify the type of the sentences. So in the question, the first question is, when can I see you? So it is, what is this? It is interrogative sentence, because it is a question and there is a note of question mark at the end of the sentence. Now the second question is, what a lovely piece of music. Okay, so here it is an exclamatory sentence. So that is, you have to write E at the end of the sentence. The third sentence, can I borrow this pen for a day? So it is also an interrogative question. Now next, question number 4, I would like to visit my mother today. So it is an assertive sentence. Okay. Question number 5, who will be the next monitor? Definitely it is an interrogative sentence. Question number 6, leave right now. It is a suggestion or request or order. So it is definitely an imperative sentence. What wonderful news! It is an exclamatory sentence because it is an expression of happiness, sadness. Okay. Now question number 8, Ratna has fallen ill. It is also a descriptive or assertive sentence. Question number 9, what do you want from me now? It is also interrogative sentence. Question number 10, Juma will go to the market tomorrow. It is assertive sentence. Question number 11, why should we leave so early? Okay. It is also interrogative. Okay. It would be I and interrogative. Now question number 12, stand up right now. It is imperative mode. Question number 13, what a perfect painting this is. It is also exclamatory sentence. Question number 14, leave my office right now. It is also a question, a request, or order. So it is imperative mode. Question number 15, I do not like ice cream. It is assertive sentence. Now question segment number E. Rearrange the words to form the types of sentences as directed. Punctuate them correctly. So here is the first question. The hall live now right. You have to write into imperative. So here is the answer. Leave the hall right now. Question number 2. Sad. Oh, how is news this? You have to write into exclamatory sentence. So the answer will be, oh, how sad this news is. It is exclamatory sentence. Now question number 3. You do, then will no program begin. So here is the answer. Do you know when the program will begin? Question number 4. You me tell can station way the to thee. So here is the answer. Can you tell me the way to the station? Question number 5. Will Germany Ratul for leave this evening? So here is the answer. Ratul will leave for Germany this evening. Question number 6 is Majestic the tiger how is? Here is the answer. Question number 6, how majestic the tiger is. Now question number 7. There anyone behind door the is? So here is the answer. Is there anyone behind the door? Now I am telling you the answer. You have to match it with your book. Football is the national sport of many nations. Question number 9. Answer number 9. Stop arguing and finish the work. Answer number 10. Rima would love to visit the chocolate factory. Answer number 11. Be quiet and sit down. Answer number 12. How beauty the rain in spring is. Answer number 13. How horrible it must have been. Question number 14. Why don't you come here? Question number 15. Check the contents after you open the box. Okay. So, it was the answer for class 7 from your book Tune Into Grammar. It is the whole answer, the complete answer from your exercise, from your book, grammar book Tune Into Grammar, and the chapter is fast, the sentence. The name of the chapter is the sentence, and from that chapter, from the exercise, I have totally completed. Total answer is given. Total answer is given by me. Okay. So you have to read it. In the next video, online class, I will discuss this portion thoroughly, so that if may have some question in that class, I will I will give all the answers. I will clear all the doubts from yours. Okay. So till then, bye bye. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.